Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys, and I know it's early, I know, but that's how I do things. I really love fall decor. I love pumpkins, I love the colors. It's just I look forward to that every year. Absolutely love it. So yes, get over it, I start early. So I'm gonna show you around just where I decorate. I'm not gonna show you my whole apartment because it's just my living room that's decorated basically. So if you want to watch that, I bought most of the stuff like this year, some of the stuff this year actually. So if you want to get like, you know, some inspiration, you can watch and see if you like anything that I put up. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. So when you come in my apartment, this is like right next to the door. Please ignore I have some mess with it. I have a toddler, it's hard. And yeah, like I don't have anything on top. Usually for Christmas this is like all decorated, but for fall I don't really have a lot of stuff. So I have a few pumpkins. I'm gonna start on this side, and then that's my child's toothbrush, please ignore. I have some of the Luminara candles. They're my absolute favorite. Yes, I know these two don't match. Actually, I think I have another one that matches. I need to change it. They light up at night. They have a timer. I absolutely love it. This pumpkin I bought last year. It lights up, but I hate that it's not on a timer, so I have to be turning it on, and it's really frustrating. So most of the time it just stays off. And then underneath I have my little squirrel here. Look at, she's so cute, guys. This is like so soft. It's the cutest thing. You get this from HomeGoods. So if you are looking for stuff now, this is like this year. You can find this one for sure. You can actually find this one as well. Although I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I don't know if it matches. What do you guys think? I might return this one. It was, I think it still has a tag on here. Yeah, $7.99. So it's not that bad. But it's really cute in this glass. I have another one up here that is like, it's not like glass. I don't know what to call this, but I have, it doesn't light up, it's just a cute pumpkin. And then I have this like foliage, what do you call this, like candle ring situation that I got at Michael's. They were $5, and then they had them for 40% off, so they were really inexpensive. And then this is a pedestal that lights up, so this corner looks really cute, and then when this lights up also looks super cute. So that's this end. And then I have this beautiful little angel pumpkin lady. It's supposed to be me. I'm kidding. I don't know. And then I have some candles, more fake candles because I love fake candles. And I just have random pedestals. I do like having pedestals in the candles. And then yes, that's Clockwork's back there. He's broken. I need to fix him. That's why he's here. Yeah, ignore that. Sorry. But yeah, so I have this here. And then over here I have some spheres and a pumpkin. I'm actually going to be looking. I really love these spheres. They're so beautiful. Lit up, they are lovely. They don't have them anymore. I got it in my QVC like 2 years ago, I think, or something like that. This one just always turn, like if it's on and then doesn't turn off, so it doesn't work. And then this one's on a timer and it works perfect. And then this pumpkin doesn't light up, but it's absolutely beautiful. Like I love these colors. I love this. And then on the top I got more pumpkins because, you know, this I got from HomeGoods online when it was like everything on sale. This must have been like, I swear it was like $6 or $5, something like that. And then I just got this one. So this is something you can buy now. It's a gourd. It's really pretty. It's what do you call this material? I can't think, but yeah, it's not glass or anything. It's not wood. I also have more of these candle ring things that I got at Michael's that you can get this year. And then I also have this pedestal that lights up. It looks so cute here when it's lit up. I wish I had like another candle or something, but it just doesn't go. Like the square is too small. Like this is what can fit in here. And then when you come in, you are greeted. I don't want you guys to see me, I look terrible. But you are greeted with this little table that's in the front. This is like really old, like vintage furniture. I got it from this old lady on OfferUp. It was like 50 bucks or something, but I needed something like literally to decorate. I got these pumpkins. If you guys saw my haul, my Halloween haul, my first one, I think I showed those ones. I got this from QVC. You can still find them. I will link them down below, but they're kind of expensive. They light up. When I first got them, they were, not first got them, when I got them originally, they were on sale. So I paid with shipping like $30. I think right now they're like 40 bucks, and then you still have to pay shipping. So I think that's ridiculous. Yeah, but they light up, all of them. They're so freaking cute. And then I will try to do an overview at night, okay? So This is another little friend of mine, the little squirrel. He's so cute, has a fluffy little tail. Adorable. Like, I'm obsessed. You can also find him now at HomeGoods. He's in season, so you can get him. And then the autumn harvest is from Target. I got that one at the dollar section. I don't really buy a lot of things from the dollar section, but I like that one, and it looks well with the setup. And then I have another candle. What a surprise, right? This is from Luminara. This thing also is from Luminara. It came with like a candle. Actually, that I had already. This actually I thrifted. That was my first Luminara candle I actually thrifted, this huge one, and I was obsessed. So I also have more of these candle rings. I just have one more, and again, got those from Michael's, so yeah. And then for my living room is right at the entrance when you come in. I didn't like dress my home, so it's a mess in here, but yeah, this is my couch. I should have removed that. I have some, I actually don't have fall blankets, so I was on the hunt. I'm on the hunt this year to find them. So that one I got from HomeGoods last year. It's like, well, it's too hot actually. That's why it's all the way over there. And then this is just like a super old blanket that I've had for God, I think I thrifted this. God knows how old it is. That pillow's from HomeGoods, and then those pillows, I have no idea where they're from. The white one is from HomeGoods. The other one's from HomeGoods. You just get really cute pillows at HomeGoods. Like, that's just what it is. So the pumpkins in the back. The one in the middle is Pottery Barn. I love that pumpkin. And the ones next to it is also HomeGoods. They're like the little fluffy ones. Let me get closer. Oh no, they're not the fluffy ones, but they're like fabric ones. So they are soft, but I have two of them here, and actually have another one on this end. Right here. This one is a soft one, but I only have one. So this one stays on this corner. And then right next to this, I have another pumpkin because, you know, why not? And then another candle. The theme here is pumpkins and candles, okay? And then I have, this is like my favorite piece of all. It's just because, you know, when you decorate, it's like you feel like, oh, when something looks pleasing to your eye and then you put it together, I don't know, it's a nice feeling. So I have this foliage or picks or whatever. There's two of them. They're from Michael's, and they're this season, so you can definitely find them. Super cute. I absolutely love them. Yeah, I actually end up getting rid of the ones that I bought from the Dollar Tree, I think. These are just look so much better. Like, yeah, it's not the same. So, and they were like 40% off, and I think each pick, which is kind of large, see, that's one pick, was like $5 maybe or something like that. So it's a good deal. Anyways, this pumpkin is from this season as well. You can get it at HomeGoods. It's so cute. I just love this color. I wish I would have got the one that's like more terracotta, but I think it actually fits fine with this situation. It looks like very much like real, if that makes sense. I have coasters down here that don't match, but they're just there. I have to find other ones. I mean, they're coasters, so whatever. I have this like random scatter here, these little pumpkins. These are from Target, the dollar spot. So they're just there because, as you guys can tell, this is out in the open. There's nothing blocking it, and my toddler comes in, you know, and he's 2 years old. He doesn't touch it because he knows this is mommy's stuff. So we got that, but he sometimes, let me show you, plays with this area. So there's some cars in here. And the scatter, this, which is on purpose here, because if he wants to grab something, he's okay to touch these. They can't break. So I have that for him. That little sign in the back that says pumpkin spice is my favorite season. It's from, no, that's not Michael, sorry. Oh my God, I'm losing track. HomeGoods. Yeah, this is this season, so you can still find it. I've seen it at a store several times. Super cute. And the back one is Halloween. So low key, I'm decorating for Halloween. I know. And then right here is this, I don't know, it's not glass. I think it's like plastic. But it has some fairy lights in there. It's super cute, pretty. It just looks all nice when it's lit up. And this was from HomeGoods. And then this was from HomeGoods too. You can get it in the glass area, you know, where they have all the mugs. They usually have just this wall full of like random decor that sometimes it doesn't look cute, but if you look in there, there's some really, really nice stuff. This was like $6 or something. And then this is my favorite area of them all. It's not like super decorated. I don't have, well, it is because of this. But this area is a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. It's functional, which is, you know, why it's there. So Yeah, I really like it. I just literally did this like a month ago. So I got this off OfferUp. I think it's like an entry table, but it fits perfectly here because I don't have a lot of space. Like this is, you know, my little, that my living room is right here, then this is here, and then the kitchen. So yeah, so I have my coffee syrups. We are big on making espresso decaf. I drink decaf. So this is here because we literally use this every day. We have the grinder because we need it. Because it's such an eyesore, it looks so ugly, but it's okay. And then this is another Ray Dunn thing that I have. This is a pumpkin spice. I actually got this on Facebook Market. I thought it was a good deal. And it literally still has some of the packaging. It came with a bunch of mugs, and I think I paid like $30 for the whole thing. So, love it. So, if we move up here, I have this autumn mug, which I got, I think on clearance. I'm pretty sure this was on clearance, like at a random like TJ Maxx, like in February, something like that. This is new. This is from Michael's. You can get this one right now. I didn't have any of these little like decorated pieces, so I bought two, and I'll show you the other one in a second. This looks cute here. It doesn't really fit, so yeah. I also, these will be like depotted to like smaller things, but I just haven't bought it, so it's in the process. And then I just have one of the other syrups that is there. I think it's like the brown syrup. I don't use it that much, so it's up there. And then in here has the coffee that's grinded, that's like left over. So that's my decaf coffee. And then these pumpkins are also new. They're from Home Goods. They're Martha Stewart. You know, she comes up with the cutest stuff. So those light up. They don't have a timer. So I think literally right now it's lit up. So you see the light? That one's still alive. Is this one alive too? Yeah, I just leave them on. They're always on. So this is my sugar canister, and then the frother, which we don't really use as much, but the sugar canister, as you can tell, is Ray Dunn. You know, love it or hate it. I think it's cute. I don't have anything hanging like here. This is just here because this is part of like, you know, the situation over here, and it's hot as hell, so we're not making hot coffee, but you know, I just kept it there. And then over here, because I'm sprinkling some Halloween, I have my Joanna Parker. Look at this, it's so cute. It's an apron. I think I love it. The print is like adorable. Like, I'm obsessed. So that's there. My boyfriend hasn't even noticed it's Halloween, but it just looks fall. So it's there. And then let's go on this side. I know this is a little, so those two, as you can tell, they're not the same actually. Those picks are from Dollar Tree, and there's two of them. Dollar Tree as well. Dollar Tree, yeah. And then I have another pick that looks exactly like that one on that corner. And then this one is like this, the one down here. This is like the maple leaves or something. So when I went to the store, I thought I grabbed 4 of these picks, but there were only 3. So for a while there was nothing here, and it was driving me crazy. And every time I go to Dollar Tree, the line is ridiculous. Does that happen to you guys? I don't know. The one here the line is always so huge. So I'm not gonna make a line just to get one pick, you know? So I just repurposed those up there. So I think it looks fine. These are also my Ray Dunn mugs. Yes, I know. I recently just purchased the Pumpkin Queen and Pumpkin King from a Facebook Market. I think I paid actually $7, I think, or something for each. So it was reasonable, and I've been looking for those and I never found them. So it was kind of nice that they were getting rid of it. I have Sweater Weather, Hayrides, Apple Cider. Oh my god. I bought Facebook Market. No, actually I found that one in the store. No, Facebook Market. This one I found at the store. Facebook Market. Basically, and then I bought that one in the store. If you guys are looking to start, honestly, go on Facebook Market or OfferUp. People are just getting rid of some of their things because they're tired of it. You know, it's old. Because it was really popular a few years ago. But I still like it. So, to me, it's perfect because I get to get it at a discount. So, this is my favorite thing to look at in the morning when I come in because it's so cute. Oh, and I also have fairy lights, so this lights up, super cute. And this is another one of my favorite pieces because it just looks pleasing to the eye. I don't know. This thing is from, what is this store? Hobby Lobby. I don't know how I feel about Hobby Lobby, but I bought it. It was really expensive, but it's a kind of a nice setup. So, and I looked everywhere for something similar and I never found it. So I just ended up giving it and bought it for like 50% off or something. So this is new this year. You can find it still. Home Goods has them. These are $5.99, I think. I just took off the tag. But they're acorns and they're really cute. And I bought 2, which is perfect. So because they both on each corner. I love it. Another Ray Dunn, I know. This is pumpkin spice. I actually got this one like 2 years ago, I want to say. Yes. But yeah, so I have pumpkin spice. Oh, maybe last year. I don't remember. And then these little gingerbread houses are super adorable. They're from QVC. I think you can still find them. I think the set for both is like 20 bucks. If I find them, I'll link them down below. And then down here, I have another candle wreath from Michaels. So that's that. And then this pumpkin thing is from Michaels, this little canister. Super cute. I love this color. Like, honestly, they nailed it with that color. And then as you can tell, these are both different colors, but whatever, it's fine. And then this one is my Ray Dunn one that's flipped over. And then this is the other piece that I was mentioning. I have 2 of these decorative things. I really like this one. This one's, when I saw it, it was one of my favorites. So love that I picked up. That was like $5. And then this canister, which is really cute. I don't know, it just looks very vintagey, if that makes sense. And it kind of matches with that one. So I thought it was perfect. Yeah, still this year you can find it now on Michaels. And then back here is the other gingerbread house, which is so cute. And then on this corner, I'm just gonna share with it. It's not really like decorative. I just bought those pumpkin ring things from Joann's, and I don't know what to do with them right now. So they're there. And then I just have more mugs. Oh my god, I can't talk. Yeah, so that's this corner of my kitchen. The next corner of my kitchen, I just turned this one on. We're growing some spices, basically. Not spices, but for seasoning, some little plants. I have this pumpkin. This has been with me for years, okay? I'm telling you, I love pumpkins. And so yeah, I've had it for a long time. It's followed me everywhere. And this is like the second time it's been displayed. Like, honestly, because my other apartment was too small. So I just kept it, but I didn't do anything with it. I think I kept it in my mom's house. So yeah, so finally he's able to sit here. I think it looks cute. And that is all for my fall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if this gives you inspiration to start, or you know, to get your stuff, or basically go shopping. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. If you guys stayed to the end, I have a little bit of bonus footage. I'm gonna show you what my house really looks like, or the decor, how it looks like, because I literally move things around. As you can see, there's mess here, to share what it looks like. But it gets messy, okay? Let's be real, it gets messy. And yeah, yeah, my soap and stuff. I have dirty dishes right now. Yeah, it's a little messy. I have pans over here. It's messy, okay? So yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys. And I got these Halloween plates. I don't know what to do with them. They've literally been sitting in my counter. And then this is the package for my mom. And then this is on this side. And then my table holds all the stuff that I didn't know where to put, that was just hanging around randomly in random places, and now it's here. So so you guys know my house is like not this clean ever. Look at the ground, there's toys, okay? And I picked up, this is me cleaning and it's still dirty. So yeah, it is what it is. I just, you know, organize it as much as I can. So anyways, thanks for watching if you stayed to the end, and let me know if you guys actually got to see my mess. Give me a message on the bottom saying, hey, I saw the mess, and then I'll know that you stayed until the end, okay? That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.